In this video, I will guide you on how to fix WhatsApp business connecting problem. First, you want to make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch between mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and check. You can also tap on the flight mode or airplane mode. Now, after a couple of seconds, you want to turn that off. This is going to refresh the network. Now, launch open WhatsApp business and check if the issue has been fixed. If it is not, then the next thing you want to do is update the app to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store. And here you want to search for WhatsApp Business. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, launch open your device settings. Now tap on Apps. From this list of applications, scroll down and find WhatsApp Business. Tap on that. First, you want to tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Next, tap on Storage. Find Clear Cache and tap on that. Now head back. Open WhatsApp Business and check if the problem has been fixed. If nothing else works, then you want to reinstall the app. For that, long press on WhatsApp Business, then tap on Uninstall. Now tap on Uninstall again, and once it has been uninstalled, open Play Store or App Store and install this application again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.